Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It, Do It. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. I made this with Dartmanipulation technique. So let's start now. Trace your front basic block with fringe dart and center front dart. Fringe dart and center front dart. Okay. First, we draw a neckline 3 centimeter, 3, close first. Draw your neckline. This is neck deep and neck wide, 3 centimeters. Now we are going to draw a yoke piece 4 centimeters wide. This is yoke. This is yoke. Again you draw from here 13 centimeter down and start from here, neckline, okay. This part we can cut away, but before we cut we are going to draw this designer line. Five centimeter parallel line. Okay. This. Now you mark this part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. This is center on fold cut. Okay. Now this line, this part, we copy to another paper. This. So I'm going to trace this part to another paper. When you trace this part, don't forget this second line, second neckline, make mark, okay, and you trace without this dart, only this part. So I write here shoulder seam, side seam. This is part 3. I need from this part another piece. Okay, I'm going to cut same piece again. So I have 2 pieces now. You cut. I'm going to cut with sewing allowance. Now I'm going to cut all these pieces. So this part we don't need. This part we don't need. You cut yoke first. And you cut this part away. Okay. Now you separate 2, 3 and 4. Mark here and mark here. Okay. This dart, cut away. When you are going to sew, before you cut with your fabric, do not forget to leave sewing allowance everywhere. Okay. This is yoke. This is second part. This is fourth. Look how it goes. You go like this and turn it. And you sew with the other side parts. Look, this is part 3. I told you need 2 pieces from this piece, and I'm going to make a small correction. I told this is shoulder, this is not shoulder, this is neckline. I'm sorry. So you take a piece of paper, draw a line, you leave 2 centimeters each side, and you stick 1 piece here, and the other piece where the 2 centimeters, here 2 centimeters, here 2 centimeters. Okay, be careful when you're going to fold it. Look, same corners must be same direction. Okay. When you stick, one goes this direction, one goes the other, but when you fold it like this, okay, and cut. So this is your yoke piece. do not forget this dart I close. Okay, and I trace to the other side from center line. This is yoke, this is your center line. I took double. Now you take this one, this corner, this point to this point. Okay. This is dart point. Okay. I told you you have to mark this one. You have to this part, this piece you must come exact here. Okay. Part 4. Okay, look. Now, this is your yoke. So, this is your yoke. And come like this. And go to this side. Okay. Yoke, this, and number 4 from this side. Okay, back we have to reduce neck wide 3 centimeters and neck deep 3 centimeters. So I'm going to cut this away. I leave sewing allowance. How you look. Yoke and this go at once. Look, it's double. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and if you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel, learn it, do it. Until next time, stay happy on